Welcome to our video where we explore the list of countries that do not recognize the State of Israel. Israel, a nation founded in 1948, has faced a unique set of challenges in gaining recognition from the international community due to historical, political, and territorial complexities. To better understand the situation, let's delve into some historical context. The foundation of Israel is deeply intertwined with the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. This long-standing dispute over land and political sovereignty has influenced international recognition. It's important to understand that the reasons behind non-recognition vary among these countries. Some cite the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, while others may have political, ideological, or historical motives for their stance. The situation can change over time, with countries occasionally adjusting their policies or recognizing Israel due to diplomatic, geopolitical, or economic considerations. Non-recognition carries significant geopolitical implications, affecting regional dynamics in the Middle East. It also influences diplomatic relations, trade, and cooperation between Israel and these countries. The recognition of Israel by nations is a dynamic and evolving issue that is deeply rooted in historical and geopolitical factors. The list of countries not recognizing Israel can change over time, so it's crucial to stay informed about the latest developments in international diplomacy. If you would like to add any comments or updates regarding the recognition status of Israel, please feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information interesting, please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.